in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, western Washington County and southeastern Wisconsin, central Dodge County and southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beaver Dam, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Hartford, Mayville, Horicon, Juneau, Theresa, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Addison, Rubicon, Woodland, Neosho, Wayne, Clyman, Lowell, Kikoski, Nano, South Beaver Dam, and St. Lawrence. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong